Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTNHD, and today is all about the YOGA A940 from Lenovo. A huge tablet slash PC all-in-one machine, and let's get to it. All right, so what comes inside the box of the Lenovo A940? A lot of stuff comes inside the box. So let's start over here. We have a USB to micro B connection, which actually goes for the keyboard. But you are actually able to use the keyboard, I think Bluetooth or wireless connection. But if you need to charge it, you plug it in right here. And then plug in the USB to the A940 to charge it up. Once it's completely charged up, you can use wireless. Cool. You have your instructions for the keyboard, how to turn it on, how to power it, as well as your wireless mouse. And inside, you also have the transmitter. So make sure you plug that into the computer. And it has an awesome little setting right here that allows you to change the hertz. By default, it is 800, 16, 3200. So you're able to change the speed of the mouse. And this is your on and off button right here. Pretty cool. Right here you have the USB Lenovo dial. And you also have basically the instructions of how to activate it. You have your pen. And the pen also has a quadruple battery, which the top piece, if you unscrew it, will give you the location of where to put the battery right here. Awesome. Put that back. And on the pen, I'm assuming these two buttons here would be your left or right click, and you're able to manage the configuration of these two buttons within the operating system on the A940. You have a setup guide. Cool. Right? How to get it up and running. Your safety and warranty guide. You have your heavy gauge power cable. And then you have your power brick, which is actually 230 watts. Pretty cool. So I'm going to take this little guy out of here from the power cable and then plug it in. Awesome. Okay, and we have the beautiful A940, the YOGA A940. I already set it up. I already have the mouse on the nice little pad system right here. The pen is over here in this little holster. This right here is like a charging station. Allows you to charge your phone. Cool. I got this little base right here, allows you to just insert your keyboard nice and neatly. Looks like this is the speaker system right here. 27-inch, I think it's 4K. A lot of ports and features. It actually has 4 3.1 USB ports. Right next to that, we have one HDMI, an RJ45 or Ethernet port, and we have our power port. On your left-hand side, it looks like we have a Type-C connection. We have one 3.1 USB port, SD card reader, and an audio combo jack, which allows you to hook up your headphone or a headphone with a mic, and this is your power button. Also on the right side of the display, this little guy right here is the USB, which allows you to hook up that dongle. We're gonna put this guy back in here. Cool. And it looks like it's magnetic. On the other side of the machine, there's no ports right here in the bottom, but it looks like there's a switch here. Don't know what this is, but most likely when we turn it on, we're gonna find out. And then we have an additional USB right here, which allows you to hook up that dongle. And it's also magnetic as well. At the very top of the 27-inch display, we have our Think Shutter privacy screen right here. I believe the webcam is 720, but it also has an IR camera, which allows you to hook up Windows Hello to log in. We're definitely going to try that out. And the entire thing just flattens down because when you need to like start drawing, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh, that's beautiful. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. This is the farthest I could go up. That's it. And this is the farthest that it could go down. That's it. Cool. Nice. So we're going to power it on. Like I said, the power button is located on the left-hand side right here. We're going to turn that guy on. And then again, the wireless mouse is turned off. You are able to change the frequency, 800, 16, or 3200. We're going to, turn it on. Let's turn that guy on. See if the mouse works. Oh, actually, I forgot something. We definitely need to insert that dongle. Awesome. I do find it kind of difficult inserting the base of the mouse. So that's a concern. I'm going to insert the dongle over here. For the keyboard, we're going to turn it on. The switch is located on your upper right side. So we're going to switch it to your right, turn it on. You're going to get that amber color. And we're going to press the Windows key. Looks like it's automatically on. Awesome. Again, you are able to charge it up using the micro B connection. Just plug it up here and just plug in the USB connection on the back or on the side of the A940. Let's see, the mouse is working. Awesome. Let's cancel this out. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome, awesome. I'm going to take the Lenovo dial and I'm going to place it over here to see. Plug it in. It's lighting up. Awesome. This right here controls the volume. But from my understanding, you are able to configure this dial right here to do certain things. So we're going to play around with that. Right now it's controlling, I'm assuming the volume. Yeah, it's controlling the volume right now. Cool. You take the pen. Cool. Awesome. I definitely want to take a look at the specifications. So let's right click on the taskbar. Let's go to Task Manager. Let's go to More, go to Performance. Let's expand that guy. Let's right click here, go to Change Graph to Logical Processors. So it actually has 12 logical processors, 6 cores, 1 socket. It is running an Intel Core i7 8700 CPU with a clock speed of 3.20 gigahertz. For memory, it looks like it only has 16 gigs of memory. I think the capacity of the A940 for memory is only 32 gigs. Definitely need to check that out. For C drive, it looks like it's running a solid state drive, and the solid state drive is around 256 gigs. It has 2 graphics cards. It has the Intel Ultra HD Graphics 630, and it has a Radeon RX 560X. What? That is fly. I'm assuming this thing could definitely handle a little bit of gaming, but the graphics card, the memory, the solid state drive, the processor, this guy is built for graphic designers. Let's check out the brightness. Let's see how bright this guy goes. So if I, let's press start and let's go to change brightness level. Go right here, it goes inside the settings. Right now it's on 43. Let's go all the way down. This is 0%, right? And let's go all the way to 100%. This is 100% on the brightness on the display. Beautiful 27-inch Ultra HD 4K monitor. Wow, and the resolution for 4K 3840 by 2160. It's awesome. Again, and it's running a Radeon RX 560X graphics card. Oof, it's pretty nice. Really, really nice. First impressions on the A940, great machine, great design. I can't wait to actually install all the software into it, and so I can start playing around with the pen, the Lenovo dial, the mouse. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impressions on Lenovo's A940. If you have any concerns or comments, leave them at the bottom. If you have questions, leave them at the bottom again. I could probably answer them during the review. for you guys. Make sure to hit that like button as well as the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.